Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
Ruqayya.
And where are you from, Ruqayya? Are you from London?
Yes.
And are you here for the Shia Voice tonight?
Yes.
What are you going to be reciting tonight?
A surprise.
Ruqayya is the youngest contestant so far at the tender age of 6 years old.
Ruqayya, you're gonna go on stage. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
Oh, mashallah, you're gonna do amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, you win. That's it. You won.
No.
No? I'll give you the 10,000 now.
No.
No? Can't be Iraqi if you rejected 10,000 pounds. That's easy. Okay. What's your name?
Ruqayya.
My Lord.
Inshallah. I think
Got
she
to
wants
give
it on merit.
Let's just
Say it.
end the competition. Ruqayya, how old are you?
6.
MashaAllah. Who are you here with?
With my auntie, uncle, and mum.
Where are they? Auntie, uncle, mum. MashaAllah. And what are you going to be reciting tonight, Ruqayya?
Surprise.
A surprise? Wow. That's amazing. So you're going to surprise us tonight.
Yes.
Okay. And you're not in the least bit nervous at all, are you, Ruqayya?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Okay. Well, I think that you're going to be amazing. I look forward to your recital. Go ahead.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حين أقف على أعتاب فناء جلالك يا أبا عبد الله يتتأتأ فكري وتضيع كلماتي تتراقص حروفها ألما فالطير يرقص مذبوحا من الألم وتغيب ذاكرتي وأعود إليك ومنك يا حسين عباراتنا شتى وحسنك واحد وكل إلى ذاك الجمال يشير رطبوا شفاهكم بسلسال الصلاة على محمد وآل محمد. حينما تريدون أن تخططوا لسفر تبحثون عن البطاقة المناسبة والوقت المناسب والمكان الجيد. لنبحث معا عن حجز في سفينة سريعة وأمينة وملؤها الراحة والتي توصلنا إلى شاطئ الأمان. انتباه انتباه، أنا الآن أقوم بهذا الإعلان. عجلوا إلى سفينة آل محمد، سفينة آل محمد، سفينة الأمان، سفينة الضمان. من ركب فيها نجا ومن تخلف عنها غرق. وقد قال صادق العصر عليه السلام: كلنا أبواب النجاة وباب الحسين أوسع، فأسرعوا. كلنا سفن النجاة وسفينة الحسين أسرع، فأسرعوا لتأخذوا حجزكم في سفينة الحسين صلوات الله وسلامه عليه. جل من كون صفاتك، وانت قرآن المعاني. حبك يطهر وجودي، ذكرك يطهر لساني. كعبة العشاق انت، هاي ما بحبك تراني. يا الخذت من عندي قلبي، امين اجيب قلب ثاني. العيد وجهك والهلال حاجب اللي يختم صيامي. عايش ويايا بركوعي وبسجودي وبقيامي. حسينية أنا، حسينية أنا، حتى انقطاع أنفاسي وبعد انقطاع أنفاسي. هو ذا فخري على كل الملائكة والناس. هو ذا فخري على كل الملائكة والناس. يا حسين.
صلوات على محمد وآل محمد. الله.
Standing ovation. Look at that. Look at that. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. أحسنتم أحسنتم أحسنتم. Thank you. You made everyone stand up for you. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I recited a poem about Al-Imam Al-Hussein alayhi salam because I wanted to get Ahlul Bayt happy about me.
I don't know where to start, to be honest with you, but I'm going to start with you, Dr. Said Ammar, please.
You're amazing. Really, you're amazing. The lines that you said are the most beautiful lines. And it's really, you've made me speechless for probably one of the first times in my life. I'm so proud of you. And I think that you can go so far. Your love for Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam will be key to your success. And I can't wait to see you in the next round because none of these guys stand a chance against you, young lady. Very well done, well done.
Mullah Nazari, you were quite emotional during her speech.
Barakallah feej. Ruqayya Khalaf, very beautiful speech. I don't have golden buzzer here.
Allah.
But I will give you my own golden buzzer away, okay?
If I win the competition, I will go to the shrine of Al-Imam Al-Hussein.
What am I doing?
That's okay, we'll take with you at the end of the show.
Bravo. Very good.
Okay.
I don't have any comment.
No comments. Okay. Thank you very much, Mullah. Take with you. So that's two judges you've left speechless. Yeah? Let's see third and fourth. Say Mason, please.
You gave me goosebumps today. I think your innocence reminds me of the one who you were named after. May many of the thousands of girls who may be watching you get inspired by you. I also agree with Sayyid Ammar. You made me speechless and I want to see you in the next round, inshallah.
Santum. And Sayyid Jalal.
Ruqayya, you took all of us to Karbala. You took all of us to Karbala, and we will take you to the second round, inshallah.
Allah.
The last judge, he said, you took us to Karbala and we will take you to the next round.
Do you want to go to the next round?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ahsantum, Sayyidina. we have to hear more from you. So what do you want to say to the judges, please? I just want to listen to you talk, if that's okay. So just what do you want to say to the judges right now?
Thank you.
All right, cool. Guys, put your hands
Thank you.
together.
Round of
for
applause.
Ruqayyah.
Thank you.
So much.
It was amazing. How do you feel?
Happy.
I think it went well.
Yes.
Mashallah, they all stood up for you. So much. I'm sure your mum's proud. I'm sure everyone's proud. Good job.
Thank you.